So here also, if you actually don't understand anything, you can rewatch this part, the previous part again, and you will hopefully you're gonna understand it better. So in the 15.1, so it is in the expansion of 2k minus x by 2 whole to the power of 5. The coefficient of k3 is 720, and after giving this information, the question asks us to find the value of x. So what we're gonna do is actually we're going to actually expand the whole thing and then find the value of x, or we can directly use the general term. So therefore general term, not going to write the expression here. So general term, okay, I'm going to write the expression tr plus 1. Given expression is 2k minus x by 2 to the power of 5. So tr plus 1 will be nc, oh sorry, there is 5, so it will not be nc, it will be 5c r dot 2k whole to the power of 5 minus r dot x by 2 to the power of r. So we got this. So let us actually simplify it more, so then we can easily find other values. So 5c r dot 5 minus r dot k 5 minus r dot xr by 2r. So this becomes this is 2 into 2 to the power of 5 minus r into this can be written as the 2 to the power of r can be written 2 to the power of minus r, and 2 to the power of 5 minus r and 2 to the power of r minus r is actually multiplied form. So we can directly add their power. So it becomes 5cr dot 5 minus r dot 2 to the power of minus r dot k 5 minus r dot xr, and the final version becomes 5cr dot 5 minus 2r dot k 5 minus r dot xr. Basically we could start working with this term, but I felt like I should simplify it more for making it more simple. So now we can actually write k 5 minus r equals to k cube. So now we can write k 5 minus r is equals to k cube. We are actually writing it because we have to find the value of r right now, so that we can get the coefficient value of k cube basically. So they have the same base. So what we can write is 5 minus r is equals to 3, and then r will be equals to 5 minus 3, that will be equal to 2. So we got the value of r is equals to 2. So the coefficient of k cube will be let me remove it here because it's going to take a long time to remove that part. So the coefficient of so therefore coefficient of k cube is equal to, we got the value of r equals to 2, so you got 5c2 dot 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 into 2 dot x to the power of r, that is equal to and given. So according to the question, according to the question, we got 5c2 dot 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 into 2 dot x to the power square. So it will be x square here, x square, and equals to 720, because this is the coefficient of the third term and it is given it is equal to 720. So we need to find the value of x. So we can write 5c2 dot 2 5 minus 4 dot x square equals to 5c2 dot 2 to the power of 1 dot x square equals to 720. So we divide the 720 with 5c2 into 2. 5c2 into 2, this is 2 to the power 1 is actually equal to 2, and now we get the value of x square. 720 divided by 5c2 into 2, 36. You got the value 36. So the value of x will be actually so the value of x will be 6, because 36 is the square of 6, and it can be plus minus 6 also. So let us see if it becomes plus minus 6. So if I actually try to put the value here, that is this value x is equal to 6, I guess x can be equal to plus minus 6. So let me check. So it is given in the answer of your book that x is equal to 6, so I'm gonna keep it x is equal to 6. It could be plus minus 6 also, so but don't worry about that much. Yeah, you can keep it x is equal to 6. Nobody will bother about it anymore. So this is how this math is done. Basically, you need to first find the general term of the equation or the general term of the expansion. After doing that, you are gonna actually find the value of r by writing that k, this part or the given part, that is the k to the power 5 minus r is equal to let me write here. So k to the power of 5 minus r is equals to right we write now k to the power 5 minus r is equal to k cube. So therefore 5 minus r is equals to 3. So therefore r will be 5 minus 3 equals to 2. And this, in this way, you actually find the value of r. Then you put the value of r in this equation to find the coefficient of k cube. And after finding the coefficient of k cube, you can write according to the question. The coefficient of k cube is equal to 720, and after that you're gonna use some mathematical magic to actually reach to the answer, and this is our required answer. So you write answer and get our full marks and go home happily.